Japanese bonsai tree made from paper stay beautiful without water or pruning. If you have trouble keeping plants alive, these are the bonsai for you. For all their immense beauty, bonsai trees require a lot of care and attention. If you don't have a green thumb though, there's now an easy way to enjoy the traditional art thanks to Kami-Bonsai, Paper-Bonsai, a new series of flat packs that come to life once you've assembled them. 4 types of bonsai available include the Matsu, pine, one of Japanese most beloved trees and a symbol of longevity that's often associated with winter months. While you won't have to prune the bonsai, nor wire its branches to guide it into an aesthetically pleasing shape, you will be able to give it a unique look by placing the leaves in your desired position. To bring a bit of autumn color to your desktop, the momiji maple contains red, orange, and purple foliage. The fallen leaves beneath the trees heighten the autumn atmosphere. Nothing says spring like the distinctive pink blossoms of the sakura, cherry blossom tree. Combined with a few bright fresh green leaves and some fallen petals, this is a pretty way to celebrate the cherry blossom viewing season. And for the hot and humid months of summer, there's kinzu tree. Kinzu citrus fruit may be tiny on real bonsai specimen, but they're still edible, making them popular with miniature tree lovers. You'll want to refrain from eating the paper version though. With its deep evergreen leaves, the paper tree brings an air of coolness to your home or workspace in the hot summer months. The company behind this product says it prefers to bring the elegance of bonsai to lovers of Japanese culture with a sense of playful creativity, rather than aiming to provide completely realistic replicas. While they might not look real, the papercraft trees are beautiful in their own right and are much easier to take out of the country than a living bonsai. Available online for 1,620 yen, 14.70 cents US dollars. Each delivery is currently available within Japan only. Depending on demand, however, these may be coming to a souvenir store and airport shop in the near future. Well, what do you think compared to the plastic bonsai? These are way cheaper and more colorful, and a lot easier to put together and less maintenance. If you like the idea of these paper bonsai, please let me know in the comment section below. As always, see you again. またね。